Now, when your system is ready, you can start working with basic commands. I gave you the MSDos command examples. This PDF, you can find it here on Moodle course. But I also gave you the virtual floppy disk, which is empty. You can find it here in MS-DOS file. You have another file, floppy img. If you download this, you go to devices when your machine is ready, of course. Choose disk from a drive, and here you assign the floppy. So when you go here, devices, floppy drives, your floppy img is inside your floppy drive. Okay, so I go back here and I click MS-DOS command examples, and you can find this instruction how to operate in the system. You have a step-by-step instruction how to navigate. First instruction is to put a floppy disk into your machine. We already did this. So here in devices, floppy drives, we have a floppy img, which is our floppy inside the machine. Now we should go to another command, which is to navigate into our drive. If you see now the prompt cursor, you have a C, which means that this is the letter for our hard drive. Yeah. So now we are inside our hard drive. It's the same path like you can find in Microsoft Windows for your default and main hard drive. And if you now want to go to floppy drive, the floppy drive letter is A. So I need to change the drive. I do this by A and colon. I press enter. Now I changed my drive to my floppy drive, and now I can check, is there anything on my disk? To list all the directories and files inside the drive, I type dir. Yeah, dir means that you list all the files. The same like in Windows or in other systems. Yeah, in Linux you have ls, but we will go to this later on. Now I checked if the disk is empty, and I see that file not found, so it means that I have an empty floppy disk inside. And let's go to another instructions. Making a directory using mkdir or md. The way you make directories, everything is described here. And if you have a floppy disk in your computer, you already have it. Go to MS-DOS and log in into a drive. We are already logged into a drive. Now, I should make a directory with mkdir or md command. You see, mkdir. And after this, I type freedom. And I press enter. Now the directory have been created. To list all the directories and files, I type again dir. Dir means that I list everything which is inside the machine. And you see, now my directory has been created. How do I know that this is the directory? Because after the directory name, I have a label here, dir, like a tag. And I have also information about the date and time when it has been created, and about information about how many files do I have in my floppy drive. Okay, let's go to another command, which is change directory. Change directory, we use it to go inside the directories and navigate into the folders. So when I now click CD and type the name freedom, and I press enter, I change directory, and you can see it in the path that I moved inside the directory. When I type dir, I check what is inside. nothing is inside because I don't see any files. Yeah. To go back to parent directory, so one level up, I type cd and 2 dots. Now I moved to the A drive. Everything you can find later is explained in this instruction. So if you follow the instruction, you will be able to learn how to create files, copy files, and so on. If you need any help, for example, if you don't know what kind of different commands are used for example, if I don't know how to use dir, for any commands you can type slash and question mark. If you type this and press enter, you will be able to see all the manual and explanation with all parameters and how to apply this command in operating systems. So if you type the command slash question mark, you will be able to do this. If you type command help and press enter, you will be able to go into the build manual how to use the operating system. If you go with your arrows navigation, you can go through the whole manual. So help put you inside the manual, and how to exit from help. If you press right alt key and then with arrows you navigate to exit, you can close the manual. You have this instruction, so please feel free to do all the instructions from this file. And later on, you have one more assignment to accomplish. Here, MSDos command assignment. There is also the brief but detailed instruction how to use certain commands and how to practice this in MS-DOS. In case of any assistance, feel free to ask me. I'm for your service, yeah? And remember, you are working in virtual machine. Everything you will you cannot break it, yeah? Like even if you do something wrong, even if you delete some files, you can install the machine from the beginning and you can create the new one. When you wanna finish your work, you click machine and shut down. If you shut down the machine, yeah, or you press this cross in the top right corner, shut down the machine, and everything is closed. And when the machine is shut down, you can close also the virtual machine manager. Good luck, and in case of any assistance, feel free to ask me.